Hi guys, in this video I will be show you how you can create a rewind effect in CapCut PC. So select your video and just copy paste and tap on the second video and just reverse, select reverse and then just going to speed and make it so faster. So and you are just going to library and add this animation template. Just put on the top second video, so just merge it like so and go to video and plane, select overlay. So here we go. Okay, for simple, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much.